guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a fruit for thought for October. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so fruit for thought for October just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to review to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, you guys, I'm super excited about this month's theme being pumpkin or pumpkin cheesecake or something like that, so I'm super excited. I do want to let you guys know this is going to be the last time I'm showing this, at least for now. I did ask them to remove me from their PR list. I'm still, like I've been telling you guys for a long time, I'm still trying to cut down, and I'm putting so much more time in my editing to be a better quality for you guys to see something while I'm talking. It just takes so much time that I do need to cut back so I can keep putting that good quality into my editing, but I just have too many. So this is one that I chose to go ahead and let go. Hopefully you're not disappointed. I'm sorry. But again, I did feel that it's time to just let this one go for now. So this will be the last time I'm showing it to you. And I'm so glad that at least I'm ending with this month being like a pumpkin or a pumpkin cheesecake, which is my favorite time of year. This is my birthday month. So anytime October comes, I'm always like, okay, where's the pumpkin? Where's the pumpkin spice? Where's this? Where's that? I just love pumpkin spice. Then my next theme for like the winter season would be the peppermint mocha. Oh, that's my next favorite. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's going to be in the last box. This is the October box, and that's what it looks like. And then where's the sticker? Oh, it's down here in the front. Okay. Yes, October theme is pumpkin cheesecake. You don't really see much. You got a little something right there. Ooh, is that a pumpkin cookie? I just love pumpkin. Okay, so again, pumpkin cheesecake. Now, November's theme is caramel pear. But the good thing about that, you can look at their website and you can see 3 months past. So this will tell you November, but you can actually see the next 3 months coming up on their account. So if it's ever a theme that you do not like, you can either get the box and gift it to somebody who might like that theme, or you can skip it. So it gives you enough time to figure out what you would like to do when you know what themes are coming out. So let's dive into this one. Again, I'm super excited. So the first item I'm going to pull out is a thing that we kind of got a little sneak peek of, which is a cookie. So it looks just like a pumpkin. It get a little smushed in my box, but it's super cute. At first I thought it wasn't sealed because the sticker is still right here where you pull off, but they actually heat sealed it. Even better than just folding it over. And then the cookie, hopefully it doesn't break. It looks like that. This one here says, each soft brown sugar cookie with lightly spiced cinnamon and nutmeg vanilla royal icing is handmade with care by @the_sugar_gnome. Use code WICKEDGOOD for 105 off your next order. I think that's supposed to be 10% off. Maybe the percentage just hit a 5. But it says for 105 off your order. It's right there. It says 105 off. But I'm sure it's probably 10% off. So if you do want to check out these gourmet handmade cookies, you can use Wicked Good to save something off. I don't know if it's 10% or 15%. But since this one is cracked, let me go ahead and try this. That brown sugar cookie tastes really good. The cookie is really soft and the icing is kind of hard. Plus I love it shaped like a pumpkin. Now when I go to take my still shot, it's gonna be half a cookie. You know, I had to try it. Whip, hooray. Fruit for thought gifts. You have this little sticker that has like a little pumpkin cheesecake. Cheesecake sticker by Humorous Sticker Club. The punniest stickers you'll ever find by @BelleInBetween. BELLE in between. Hand-drawn design. The sticker club is only $8 a month and ships 4 new sticker designs the first week of every month. So if you want to check that out, again, that's @BelleInBetween. And that's a really cute sticker. That's cute. So you have that. Ooh, okay, so we have a pumpkin cheesecake handcrafted soap lather bar. Ooh. It's not really, really strong, but you can pick up on the pumpkin scent. Again, it's not too strong like this, but I'm sure once you lather, you'll get a better aroma of it. But it's super cute. I love the colors. Definitely screams a pumpkin cheesecake. That is super cute. Pumpkin cheesecake bar soap with notes of cinnamon, Vermont maple, pumpkin puree, and whipped cream by at lather.bar.soap.co. You can check them out if you would like, but that is super cute. Again, I love the colors. There is like a little bit of like shiny goldish effect to the top of it. It's a nice big chunk of soap and it smells like pumpkin. That is so cool. So there's that. Now we have is something down in here. It looks like a little sign. Let's see, bend it up maybe. Carve pumpkins, drink cider, enjoy fall. How cute. So you have this little fall sign that you can set somewhere. It says a decorative metal ornament featuring hand lettered carve pumpkins, drink cider, enjoy fall sentiments with a twisted top wire loop for easy hanging. So you have that you can put anywhere. And it's by Primitives by Kathy. We get a lot of stuff from them and I like all the things that they do have. So there's that, again, by Primitives by Kathy. So what do we have now? We have a bath cube, all natural bath bomb in pumpkin spice. It is literally a cube. I've never seen a bath bomb in a square shape. They're normally round, so that's unique. So there's that. I don't take baths. I normally use these for a foot soak, but I kind of want somebody to enjoy this. So I think I'm going to put this in my giveaway pile so somebody can enjoy it that would use it as an actual bath bomb. So this one here says, pumpkin spice bath bombs are the perfect way to bring your favorite autumn treat to the bath. At All About Velours, luxurious bath bombs are made to leave your skin smooth, relaxing Epsom salts, and dedicated blends of 100% essential oils for the most scents imaginable. Use code FRUITBOX for 20% off. So there's that. And again, I will save that for a future giveaway. Now we have this, ooh, we got a little candle, and of course it's pumpkin latte, handcrafted. This right here says, have a latte with your cheesecake at Farm Fresh Candle Co. Pumpkin latte candles is bursting with mouth-watering scents of butter, sugar, and spices with a touch of irresistible latte. Use code 20CandleFruit for 20% off your order. Oh, this one is like a nice strong pumpkin latte. It's hitting me. Oh, that's gonna smell so good. I can't wait to burn that. Oh, my house is gonna be smelling like that. That is some yummy goodness right there. It has a nice strong fragrance, so this little guy will probably fill a nice size room at least. So that's cool. I can't wait to get that burning. Now we have is, what is this? It says pumpkin spice cheesecake dip mix. What in the world? On the back, it has dip mix instructions to make a cheesecake dip, cheesecake pie, or a cheesecake. Oh, look, multitasker you can use this for. Made by at CARMIES Kitchen Gourmet. With all natural pumpkin and cinnamon, this pumpkin spice cheesecake dip mix flavor is super tasty and a fall classic. Can be made into a cheesecake dip, cheesecake pie, or a traditional cheesecake. Just add mix to the cream cheese and Cool Whip to make this tasty treat. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I've never made a cheesecake dip, but now I'm super intrigued and now I want to. So there's that right there. And then the last item in here is a pumpkin pie fudge push-up. What in the world? Okay, so let's read on this one here. Fresh made to order unique fudge push-up by at ARNDTS Fudgery in a delicious pumpkin pie flavor. That is so cool. So I guess you just remove the lid and push it up like a push-up and you get pumpkin pie fudge. That is definitely different. Let's see this. I knew there was a reason I was going to be super excited about this month's theme, you guys. It does have a pumpkin spice scent to it. I am picking up like on some cinnamon, pumpkin spice kind of like flavors. So that's what it looks like. And then you just push it up. Wait. Jesus. Holy moly. Do I need like a tool to push this up? Did it come with a stick or something? No? Okay, so it would have been nice if it came with like a stick or something so you can get in there, because it's not even like, I can't even stick my pinky in there, but you need something in here to push up inside of this. So if you stick something inside here, it'll push up, but this base right here does not actually go up. So that's a little different to get to, but I'm just gonna take a little bite. Ooh, it's super, super soft. Like, super, super soft. It tastes like icing, to be quite honest. It tastes like a whole lot of like a sugary pumpkin spice, like icing. It's very, very sweet. Like, very, very sweet. It's super good, but it's very sweet. So I would say a little bit will go a long way because it's very, very sweet. How many times am I gonna say that? It's very, very sweet. Just put the cap back on it. You see how much is now sticking up over it? So yeah, if you do get this, you need to put something in the hole. You need to put something on the hole to push it up. You need help. It needs help pushing it up. Yeah, so that is everything that came in this October box. So comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this theme? I thought that this theme was really spot on, especially for the season with the pumpkin cheesecake theme. I think it was definitely spot on. If you want a little bit more information about Fruit for Thought, I will let you know right about now. I do still have a code, which is Crafty10, and that'll get you 10% off if you would like to sign up. And again, you can always check out the months for at least 3 months in advance from their website. If you just do month to month, it's $39.95, but they do have 3, 6, and 12-month subscription options available as well. Shipping is in addition. You can skip or cancel at any time. A new fruit and sometimes vegetable theme each month that will include 5 to 7 fun and unusual quality products with an assortment of scents, flavors, and colors relating to that theme. Products may include home accessories, jewelry, luxurious bath and body products, stationery, yummy goodies, and more. And you can also buy a one-time non-renewing box from their website for $44.99. So if you just wanted to buy a one-time box for you or for a gift, you can purchase the one-time boxes for $44.99. So that is everything that I have. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. This is my last time bringing them on my channel for now, so it's a little bittersweet, leaving on a very sweet note, that's for sure. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.